Hey guys, we're gonna do a batch tomorrow, so I'm gonna mix it up today. We have 100-degree temperatures every day next week here in Dallas, Texas, so I'm not gonna put down too much nitrogen to really boost the growth of the grass and stress it out. I'm gonna be spraying my usual 4 gallons of water, or 4 cups of chelated iron, and that's it. That's all you need. So that's gonna be my boost of green for this month, July. Remember, add your dye last. I'm gonna let this sit overnight and stew. Don't forget, I'm an Amazon associate, so anything you see that I'm using here is gonna be linked in the description below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Helps me out. And hit the like button. So here's the lawn July 8th. We've got our Scott Summer Guard down. It's looking good. We're gonna use our super sprayer again. This thing worked out well. Allows me to use 4 of these bottles. I'm also gonna try one of my BioAdvanced bottles and see how well it does compared to these others that you can buy on Amazon. And the link's below, of course. Do 8 ounces of the laser dye. You can do as much as you want, depending on how visible I want the spray to be. It kind of looks good when it's on the yard anyway. So, the laser dye is not the only dye you can get. There's other stuff too. On this dye on Amazon as well. Smaller bottle, but you only use a little bit at a time. Basically, this is only water, iron, and super juice. You don't really need the super juice. So water and iron for your green boost. And it's comparable to putting down the Double Dark from Yard Mastery or the Scott's Max Green, which I like that stuff. That stuff works really well. Those are granules, and I'm putting down the Foliar water. We got spray. We're ready. The same day though. This is what the lawn looks like with the dye sprayed on the yard. So pretty. We'll see the difference in a couple days. So check back, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Everything I use in the video is going to be in the links below. So as an Amazon associate, I benefit from qualified purchases, but it helps the channel out too. So appreciate you guys. Till next time.